Welcome back to my channel, Glam Squad. If you're new here, my name is Gigi and I am very enthused by nail products, and I have some new ones today. My daughter, my oldest daughter, I have two daughters, just an FYI. My oldest daughter bought me this little set for my birthday, which was Friday. Thank you for all the happy birthdays that I received this week. You guys are the bomb. So last Friday, it was my birthday. This is a week later. And full disclosure, I have opened it. But as you can see, I've not really played with it. All I did was take the stickers off and look inside. And I did actually peel up the corner of this one. Just for a peeky peek. Let's go ahead and see what I saw. I love that color of yellow. One of my personal faves. So, I thought we would just do a quick, I don't even know what you're gonna call it. We're gonna swatch them, sort of. I've got 4 tips here and 4 lines. And I thought we would just throw a little bit on of each one, you know, 1, 2, 3, 4. See what they look like, and, or 1, 2, 3 rather. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Wow, totally with it today. Inside this box as well was a few nail forms. These are the kind I like for Carmen, so I was grateful to see these in there. Let's see what we've got, like 10 here. Looks like 10, yep, 10. So that's gonna be 2 sets for Carmen with that. And then we also have these 3 brushes. And okay, this is me being able to open this with gloves on. Guys, I'm killing myself right now. Go ahead and pull these out. And we've got a flat, looks like a flat, slightly angled brush, a flat round brush, rounded top brush, and then a very fine detail brush. So those should be fun to play with. And to me, that means that they mean these to be used to make, I would assume these are to be embedded. That's my assumption here. There's not a ton of instructions that I'm seeing. Let's see if there's anything underneath. No. So there's not a ton of instruction here, but when I opened the yellow, it seemed like your traditional, wow. It seemed like your traditional builder gel consistency. So, right? That seems very builder gelish, right? There we go. Okay, so let's go ahead and start playing with these. Let's go ahead and take a look at this other implement that she got me, which is some Cuticle Nippers. These are by Green Aesthetica. I feel like I'm not saying that correctly. I have actually already tested these out. I love that it has this little guard on here, so it's never gonna get ruined as long as you always use your guard. They are very sharp and very springy. And I had put these on a list for her so that she could, you know, go through the list and pick me a few things out. And so I know that this was really only like less than $5, $4 and change. So that was on Amazon. But they have a website if you want to buy directly from them. Okay. Okay guys, what I've done is take these and put them in numerical order because frankly, it was driving me insane that they weren't in numerical order. So they are now. And the one that I'm not gonna swatch is the clear because it's literally just crystal clear and it doesn't make any sense to swatch it. You have seen Saviland Clear Builder Gel on the channel many times. So my intention here is to just go ahead. I've got 4 tips loaded and I am just going to swatch the rows, okay? So this one will have 2, the rest will have 3, and you'll be able to see all the colors, but we won't waste a ton of tips and I'll be able to knock it out pretty quickly because I'm doing this the day it gets uploaded and I've got a ton of stuff on my plate today. So I am just going to breeze through this as fast as possible. Let's go ahead and just swatch these out. What we have here is the nude pink and the white, which is very much a milky white. So I'm just gonna dip in and pull straight out, which is the best way to pick up your gels. And let's go ahead and just start laying this down. I did not put a slip layer or anything down, so the application might be the tiniest bit wonky, but they're not for lasts, they're just for looks. Right? Right? Okay, so if you did this, let's say we just smooth this out a little, this would be very sheer. It's not going to be a super opaque white if that's what you're looking for, just so that you know. But if you wanted to do, say, milk bath nails or something, this would work for that. But guys, these pots are not very deep, okay? They really do not go down very deep. So if you're buying these to build nails with instead of just to decorate, you're gonna be disappointed. I'm gonna just say that right now. You will be disappointed. Let's go ahead and do the same thing over here and just in and pick up. Grab a dollop or a ball or a bead, whatever you like to call. I usually say a dollop or a bead. I'm just gonna walk this down here, just get everything nice and neat. This is like a reverse French, right? Because it should be the nail bed color on the top and the white at the bottom. It's kind of reverse. And you could 100% just ombre this with very little work, very little work. And just by letting it sit together too, it's gonna ombre itself a little bit. Look at that, came out pretty good. Guys, these 3 together are a set to me. I think this would be a gorgeous, gorgeous set. If you were marbling or you had a specific theme that these colors would fit, these are a gorgeous trio. I think I would wear a set with this color combination. This is one of my favorite kinds of yellow. This very pale, sheer, soft yellow. That's one of my very favorite colors of yellow. Maybe my very favorite color of yellow, kind of a buttery yellow. This is blue cyan. Again, I think this row of 3 would make a really pretty set, especially if you were doing a marble. And if you added, I don't know, maybe some white or black in with that, it would be super pretty. Let's go ahead and start with this side because this is the lower number, which is 7. And it's called blue purple. All right, our last one is going to be 3 of the glitters. There's 4 glitters. These last ones are the 3 other ones. We have the silver, the gold, and this one's called rose red, but tell me that doesn't look half pink, half orange. It's very weird. You'll see when we lay it down. Okay, look at this, how sometimes when you look at it, it looks orange, but on the edges, it looks more pink. This is a very weird color, and I don't mean weird that I don't like it, okay, because I love it, and I definitely know I am going to be wearing this sometime soon. It is so weird. I don't know what other word to use. It's pink and orange at the same time. And I've got to go through my collection and find the things that I think are going to match with it and start designing a set. Because I am telling you, this is my jam right here. All right, guys, let's go ahead and give these a little bit of a top coat. Just so you can really see them shiny, right? Okay, that's pretty, guys. That's actually really pretty. I definitely see some milk bath nails coming up. Maybe some wintry milk bath nails, right? You want to take a bath in the winter, nice and cozy, drinking some tea or some coffee or some cocoa or some punch or alcohol. Who am I to tell you what to drink in the bath? Right? Right? Oh, these glitters. Oh. I'm having a hard time choosing between these two on which one's my favorite, if I'm being honest. And if I had more time today, guys, I would have encapsulated them so they didn't look lumpy and bumpy. I just don't have the time. I wish I did. I feel very stressed right now for lack of time. Because this should have been done yesterday, but I baked all day, you guys, all freaking day. And it was delicious and worth it, and everybody's gonna love what I made, but didn't get everything done. Okay, guys, this is the Saviland Sequin set. There are 3 sets that I saw. There might be more, but there's 3 that I saw, and this is the Sequin one. I like it. I can't wait to put it on my fingertips and do more sets with it. And because we just hit the 250 subscriber mark, I thought I would do a press-on set with these as a giveaway. So I was thinking maybe about doing that on a live stream soon, sometime this weekend possibly. My plans for tomorrow have shifted a little, so I'm not sure. My plan was for tomorrow, but I will see what happens, and hopefully we can make that happen. If not, possibly Sunday. But again, that's my grandson's birthday, so it would be late in the afternoon before I could do that. But keep an eye on the channel. Hit that subscribe button. We're gonna have something come up soon. If you have any suggestions for a press-on set, let me know. And let me just thank you guys very much for this early Christmas present of 250 subscribers. And it's actually, today it went to 251. So you guys are my foundation subscribers, right? The guys, the people, the wonderful Glam Squad. That is the beginning of everything. So thank you so much for liking my content, for believing in my channel, for being part of this community, and for helping me to grow. I am so grateful to every single one of you. Thank you so much. We're gonna see you in the next video. Mwah! Bye-bye.